Friends, good afternoon everyone. Yesterday in last lecture I explained you what are the different types of noise. Today we will see the effect of noise on digital signal. The PPT that I am using is containing an image from a recommended textbook authored by William Stalling. When you try to interpret these waveforms for digital signal, noise and resultant signal, it requires imagination to understand the effect of noise. It is difficult to interpret these waveforms. So I prepared an animated PPT which explain the effect of noise over digital signal. Now the first waveform is a digital signal waveform, a signal which is transmitting digital data represented in terms of sequence of zeros and ones, and the zero is defined as zero voltage and binary 1 is defined as is represented by plus 5 volts. So this a waveform in blue signal is a digital signal which is carrying the digital data 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. Let us see this digital signal when it propagates through the transmission media. If the signal encounters a noise, then the noise will make an adverse effect on the signal carrying digital data. A noise is represented by a waveform in red color. Noise makes adverse effect. It will degrade the quality of the transmitted signal which is carrying digital data. Let us see how this noise makes an adverse effect, how the combination of digital signal carrying the digital data plus noise will result into resultant signal. The resultant signal that is going to propagate through transmission media is represented by black colored waveform. How to compute this resultant signal? Here the blue line 0 voltage is representing binary 0 and noise is having this red waveform. Okay, so this much voltage is to be subtracted from 0. That's why the resultant signal is at the negative side of the y-axis voltage. Now let us come to this point. At this point, digital signal is having this voltage level and noise is having this voltage level. The digital voltage plus voltage will be lowered down by this height, and this is to be drawn like this. Let us come to this point. At this point, digital signal is having 0 voltage and noise is having positive voltage. So resultant of this will be negative of this. At this point, the binary 0 is converted to 1. So in this way, a bit error is happening at this point, and this is the effect of noise on transmitted digital data. So the effect of noise will be, it will corrupt digital data, bit errors will occur.